Hi students! Welcome to TLE Computer System Servicing 9 course. This is Teacher I, ready to guide you, and you are watching DepEd MPTV. So let's get started! This lesson will help you to identify and select different types and uses of hand tools in computer system servicing. After this lesson, you are expected to first, identify different types and uses of hand tools. Second, select appropriate tools for each task. Third, categorize types of hand tools according to its functions. And fourth, internalize an appreciation on the different values of honesty, diligence, patience, resourcefulness, creativity, independence, and passion towards learning. Let's test your knowledge about our topic. Listen carefully to each question. Choose the letter of your best answer and write it on your answer sheet. You may pause the video when you answer and check your answer right after. Number 1. What diagnostic tools is used to measure and test existing LAN connection? A. ESD tools. B. Digital multimeter. C. LAN tester. D. Loopback adapter. The correct answer is letter B, LAN tester. Number 2. Which of the following tools is used to test physical ports to identify network issues? A. ESD tools. B. Tweezers. C. Digital multimeter. D. Loopback adapter. The correct answer is letter D, loopback adapter. Number 3. It is a tool used to measure two or more electrical values like voltage, current, and resistance. A. ESD tools. B. Tweezers. C. Digital multimeter. D. Loopback adapter. The correct answer is letter C, digital multimeter. Number 4. Which of the following tools help to prevent the buildup of static electricity near sensitive electronics? A. ESD tools. B. Tweezers. C. Digital multimeter. D. Loopback adapter. The correct answer is letter A, ESD tools. Number 5. What hardware tool used to test and diagnose equipment? A. ESD tools. B. Hand tools. C. Cleaning tools. D. Diagnostic tools. The correct answer is letter D, diagnostic tools. Number 6. What anti-static device that safeguards an individual or piece of equipment like a PC from an electrostatic discharge? A. Anti-static mat. B. Anti-static resistor. C. Flashlight. D. Hex driver. The correct answer is letter A, anti-static mat. You notice that the screen of your laptop is dusty. What tool will you use? A. Anti-static mat. B. Cable ties. C. Lint-free cloth. D. Tweezers. The correct answer is letter C, lint-free cloth. What hand tool used to blow away dust and debris from different computer parts without touching the component? A. Compressed air. B. Cable ties. C. Printing tool. D. Lint-free cloth. The correct answer is letter A, compressed air. Number 9. What tool is used to bundle cable neatly inside and outside of computer? A. Cable ties. B. Compressed air. C. Drivers, D. Wire cutters. The correct answer is letter A. Cable ties. Number 10. Which of the following hand tools sometimes called a nut driver? A. Hex driver, B. Part retriever, C. Torque screwdriver, D. Tweezers. The correct answer is letter A. Hex driver. Number 11. You want to loosen slotted screws of your system unit. What hand tool will you use to loosen slotted screws? A. Flathead screwdriver, B. Hex driver, C. Phillips head screwdriver, D. Torque driver. The correct answer is letter A. Flathead screwdriver. What hand tool is used to tighten or loosen cross-headed screws? A. Flathead screwdriver, B. Hex driver, C. Phillips head screwdriver, D. Torque screwdriver. The correct answer is letter C. Phillips head screwdriver. Number 13. Which of the following hand tools is used to tighten or loosen screws that have a star-like depression on the top? A. Flathead screwdriver, B. Hex driver, C. Phillips head screwdriver, D. Torque screwdriver. The correct answer is D. Torque screwdriver. Number 14. Which of the following hand tools used to manipulate small parts? A. Crimping tool, B. Tweezers, C. Needle nose plier, D. Wire stripper. The correct answer is letter B. Tweezers. It is used to join or connect two pieces of material by using compression to form a connecting band. A. Anti-static mat, B. Crimping tool, C. Tweezers, D. Wire stripper. The correct answer is letter B. Crimping tool. If you got low score in the activity, it's okay, for it is expected in the diagnostic test. Let's see how you are going to do this activity. Fill in the box a word on what you have learned in the previous computer system servicing lesson. Write your answers on your answer sheet. Okay, let's continue. Read the riddles very well. Can you work out what tools be described in the riddle? Write the letter of your answer on your answer sheet. Number 1. They are twins, same height, they work in the kitchen. Arm in arm, whatever is cooked, they always try it first. Brother, all pair up, bodies firm and tall. You only care to eat the solid food and don't care to eat the soup. What are they? A. Calculator, B. Pencil, C. Chopstick, D. Flash drive, E. Vacuum cleaner, F. Fork and spoon. The correct answer is letter C. Chopstick. Number 2. I have keys with numbers on them. You can use me to add or subtract. I can fit in your hand. My name starts with the third letter of the alphabet. What am I? A. Calculator, B. Pencil, C. Chopstick, D. Flash drive, E. Vacuum cleaner, F. Fork and spoon. The correct answer is letter A. Calculator. Number 3. I can come in many colors like red, yellow, orange, blue, or green. When you put my lid on paper, your drawings or writing can be seen. What am I? A. Calculator, B. Pencil, C. Chopstick, D. Flash drive, E. Vacuum cleaner, F. Fork and spoon. The correct answer is letter B. Pencil. I can carry big things in your pocket. Almost everyone knows what my work is and how do I work. You need to push me at the right place to make me work. What am I? A. Calculator. B. Pencil. C. Chopstick. D. Flash drive. E. Vacuum cleaner. F. Fork and spoon. The correct answer is letter D. Flash drive. Number 5. I'm named after nothing, though I'm awfully glamorous, and when I'm not working, your house is less glamorous. What am I? A. Calculator. B. Pencil. C. Chopstick. D. Flash drive. E. Vacuum cleaner. F. Spoon and fork. The correct answer is letter E. Vacuum cleaner. Okay, let's continue. I know that you are eager to know more about the lesson, so let's proceed. For every job, there is the right tool. Make sure that you are familiar with the correct use of each tool and that correct tool is used for the current task. There are 4 categories of hardware tools. The first one is the ESD tools, second, hand tools, third, cleaning tools, and fourth is the diagnostic tools. Electrostatic discharge or ESD tools is a difference of potential between two items that cause static electricity. ESD can be prevented by using a variety of methods like these ESD tools. 1. Anti-static resist trap. It is used to prevent electrostatic discharge to computer equipment. Another is the anti-static mat. It is used to stand on or place hardware on to prevent static electricity from building up. Hand tools. Devices for performing work on a material or physical system using only hands. They can be manually used, employing force, or electrically powered using electrical current. Examples of these are 1. Flathead screwdriver. It is used to loosen or tighten slotted screws. Phillips head screwdriver. It is used to loosen or tighten crosshead screws. Torx driver. It is used to loosen or tighten screws that have a star-like depression on the top, a feature that is mainly found on laptops. Hex driver. It is used to loosen or tighten nuts in the same way that a screwdriver tightens screws. It is sometimes called a nut driver. Needle nose plier. It is used to hold small parts. Wire stripper. It is used to cut computer cables or wire. Tweezers. It is used to manipulate small parts. Part retriever. It is used to retrieve parts from locations that are too small for the hand to pick. Flashlight. It is used to light up areas that you cannot see clearly in your computer. Crimping tool. It is used to join or connect two pieces of material by using compression to form a connecting band. The cleaning tools. Having the appropriate cleaning tools is essential when maintaining or repairing computers. Using these tools ensures that computers are not damaged during cleaning. Examples: lint-free cloth. It is used to clean different computer components without scratching or leaving debris. It is a microfiber cleaning cloth that does not give up any fluff when used. Compressed air. It is used to blow away dust and debris from different computer parts without touching the component. Cable ties. It is used to bundle cables neatly inside and outside of a computer. Parts organizer. It is used to hold screws jumpers, fasteners, and other small parts and prevent them from getting mixed together. The fourth category of hardware tools is the diagnostic tools. They are used to test and diagnose equipment. One is the multimeter, used to test the integrity of circuits and the quality of electricity in computer components. The loopback adapter, used to test the functionality of computer ports. Do you want more? You will be given only one activity, so make sure to give it your best shot. Arrange the jumbled letters in each number to determine the name of tools and match its specific function in column B. Write your answers on your answer sheet. Check your answers using the answer key provided. How are you with the task? I hope you answered it correctly. At this point, you are ready to perform what you have learned. Generalize your learning from this module by completing the statement below. Use your own words or understanding when completing the statements and write your answer on your answer sheet. 1. Hardware tools are categorized into 4. They are blank. Another is that I can use ESE tools in blank. It will prevent me from blank. Don't forget what you have learned because you will still be using them in the next task. I'm sure you can still picture out the tools that we have just learned. Determine the proper tool that must be used in the following scenarios. Use separate sheet for your answer. You may pause the video and play it after your drawing. Your activity will be evaluated using the rubrics provided. First scenario. The TLE class would like to test the LAN cable we prepared. What tool will be used to test if the cable is properly working? Scenario 2. Mr. Filmora discovered the inside of the CPU is dusty. What tool would you recommend for him to use to clean the inside of his CPU? Third scenario. Mr. Angelis has a 10-meter LAN cable, but he only needs 3 meters to connect to the new computer to the router. What hand tool will he use to cut the wires? Fourth scenario. Miss Camtasia has a necessary material to make a Type B cable. What hand tool will she use next? Fifth scenario. What tool will you use to avoid electrostatic discharge when working with computers and other electronic devices? Good job! Finally, it's time for evaluation. Read and analyze each statement carefully. Choose the best answer and write the letter on your answer sheet. Check your answers with the answer key provided later. Number 1. You notice that the screen of your laptop is dusty. What tool will you use? A. Anti-static mat. B. Cable ties. C. Flathead screwdriver. D. lint-free cloth. Number 2. What hand tool is used to blow away dust and debris from different computer parts without touching the component? A. Cable ties. B. Printing tool. C. Compressed air. D. lint-free cloth. Number 3. What anti-static device that safeguards an individual or piece of equipment like a PC from an electrostatic discharge? A. Anti-static mat. B. Anti-static resist strap. C. Flashlight. D. hex driver. Number 4. What hardware tool is used to test and diagnose equipment? A. Cleaning tools. B. Diagnostic tools. C. ESP tools. D. hand tools. Number 5. Which of the following tools helps to prevent the buildup of static electricity near sensitive electronics? A. Anti-static mat. B. Anti-static resist strap. C. Cable ties. D. hex driver. Number 6. Which of the following tools is used to test physical ports to identify network issues? A. Digital multimeter. B. ESP tools. C. Loopback adapter. D. tweezers. Number 7. It is a tool used to measure two or more electrical values like voltage, current, and resistance. A. ESP tools. B. Digital multimeter. C. Loopback adapter. D. LAN tester. Number 8. What diagnostic tool used to measure and test existing LAN connection? A. ESP tools. B. Digital multimeter. C. LAN tester. D. Loopback adapter. Number 9. Which of the following hand tools used to tighten or loosen screws that have a star-like depression on the top? A. Flathead screw. B. hex driver. C. Parted cleaver. D. Torx screwdriver. Number 10. Which of the following hand tools sometimes called a nut driver? A. hex driver. B. Phillips head screwdriver. C. tweezers. D. Torx screwdriver. Number 11. What hand tool is used to stripe and cut wires? A. Printing tool. B. Needle nose pliers. C. tweezers. D. wire cutters. Number 12. You want to loosen slotted screws of your system unit. What tool will you use to loosen slotted screws? A. Flathead screwdriver. B. hex driver. C. Phillips head screwdriver. D. Torx screwdriver. Number 13. What hand tool is used to tighten or loosen cross-headed screws? A. Flathead screwdriver. B. hex driver. C. Phillips head screwdriver. D. Torx screwdriver. Number 14. Your laptop has a screw that have a star-like depression on the top. What tool will you use to loosen the screws of your laptop? A. hex driver. B. crimping tool. C. tweezers. D. Torx screwdriver. Number 15. It is used to organize small parts. A. part organizer. B. compressed air. C. soft cloth. D. wire cutter. Here is the answer key for the cost assessment. Please check your answers. Number 1, B. Number 2, C. Number 3, A. Number 4, B. Number 5, B. Number 6, C. 7, B. 8, C. 9, D. 10A, 11B, 12A, 13C, 14D, 15A. List at least 5 hardware tools available in your home. Write the functions or use of each tool. Write your answers on your answer sheet. There you have it. Thank you for being with me throughout the lesson. I hope you have gained a lot. Don't forget to put those knowledge into use. Till next time!